Welcome back. We're now on part 3 and I'm going to talk about how to join these motifs together, and in this video we're just going to focus on that. Part 4 I'm going to talk about bringing the panels together, the arms, the left panel, the right panel and the back panel. I'm going to start to do the front panels first, then I'm going to do the back panels and then I'll do the arms, but I just want to show you how I'm going about stitching these motifs together. I'm going to use a crochet hook. You can use a needle if you wish to. So I'm just going to go into the corner and slip stitch like this. And then I'm going to go into the next corner and slip stitch like that. And that simply is it. I'm gonna grab my needle, gonna grab my scissors, snip the yarn like that, and just pull that tight, and then hide these threads away. I'm gonna make the panels separately and then put them together afterwards, because I need to make sure that I position the sleeves correctly, because I've got an odd number of motifs around my arm. I've got 3. I'm going to chain 1 in between and then just connect the center like that. I'm going to snip, pull that through, and then I'll hide that. There. Chain 1 and then into the next corner. Pull that through like so. I really like this diamond shape that has been created through stitching like this. Ta-da. The next motif like that and like that. So I think I'm gonna stitch on this side first. Chain 1, chain 1. I don't know if it would be easier or more difficult to use a sewing needle, but I feel that my hands work faster with a crochet hook, which is why I've opted for one. That. Chain 1. As you can see, I'm leaving a little bit of a longer tail to thread in, just because if we leave a little bit of a longer tail, it's easier to hide and it's more likely to remain hidden rather than just pop out. Now I'm gonna do the join here last, because I think I may need to put 1 or 2 more chains in between. We shall see how we get on with that. I'm just gonna connect this side first. I'm gonna run this bit back up this way. Do that bit to that bit. And again, this bit, let's look at connecting this bit here now. I'm going to do this first. I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to pick up this side and just pull it through. I'm going to chain 1 in between and then stitch this way. And just see how that looks. Yeah, that looks good. I just don't want the stitch in the center to be too tight. Like, I want them to sit nice and like loose, not like scrunched up together. And I think that's quite nice and loose there. So I'm just gonna hide this. Like that. So, and then I'm going to, of course, attach these 2 together. So you get the gist of it. I'm going to carry on with working these panels